Even though my teachers give us exam up to 100 fill in the blanks, I can answer it because I memorized the book. I memorized the history book. So no one can escape my memory. During my high school days, my memory is very sharp. I can easily memorize. So even the book of our history subject, I memorize it until now. I can still remember the pictures in it. I like history too, actually, but sometimes I wonder what the purpose is of knowing things so far back. Uh, I don't know what. Maybe because koan, they want us to know the history of our koan, of our great great grandfather or our ancestors. Nordrin Tomlos, hi Nordrin. Araling panlipunan yun, ma'am. Oo, araling panlipunan. Araling panlipunan. Nga sa ubos kay Kuan. Sibika at kultura. Sibika at kultura. Uy, hello Nasrin Cooking. Mega love shout out Nasrin. After a long time, host. Yes, Nasrin. It's been a long time. Karim Gomos, hello. Hello, mega love shout out. Guys, please support the one I pin, guys. The next nating ipin na naman. What happened to this? I cannot go on. Anong nangyari sa ating dalawa? Gary Melo, shout out. Watching my new video host. Okay. Yeah, just drop. What is your name? My name is Elsie. Karim from Karim Gomos. India people says that history have no scope in future. Yes, yes, yes. I know. Okay. But at least you know our history. Love, oh, hello Karen Gumos. Diyan sa Nico guys, please support guys. Diyan sa Nico Harmonica music video dropping his link. Is it really true? I don't know, it depends upon the people. There are some who believe in it, and there are also who did not believe in it. So it's up to us. It's up to us if you believe it. But sometimes other people, history, masa may tawag ana ang ginawa maghaw ang suga sa kapalaran. Suga sa kapalaran. Uy, hello, Ryan. Lady in red, always in my head. She's on my mind 24 hours at a time. Miss Universal looks so fine. Oy, thank you so much, Ryan. Oy, good evening. Thank you so much. Darararan. Thank you, good evening sa mga nandyan. Uy, liko mahong bilbil aning likuran na. It is... Bahala mo. Huwag sa mga dito. Ano na mo? Salam abla. Uy, hello Inis. How are you? Good evening, sweetest of sweethearts. Thank you. Hello, Rayan. Good morning sa iyo dyan. Good morning. Good morning. Ayaw, B. Do not do it. Do not do it. Give me water, sabi. Give me water, please. Wait, I want to drink water. My throat is dry for